Guys, listen to me closely. AI filmmaking and commercial creation are officially hitting a whole new level. Right now, people are out here creating professional-grade UGC ads using Gemini Omni, and guess what? They are actually making a really good amount of money freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Even big corporate companies are starting their own dedicated AI ad agencies. Just look at the quality of this commercial on your screen right now. Pretty crazy, right? So in this video, we're going to try and create some super fun, highly professional ads using Gemini Omni. Trust me, you are going to learn something completely new today. All right, the first important thing you need to do is head over to the official Gemini website. Now, make sure you go into the settings and select the Gemini 3.5 Flash model. Once you do that, you are going to paste a monster of a prompt. We are going to tell it to create a 30-second cinematic ad for Gymshark, the massive gym clothing brand featuring a custom character. Let me read you exactly what this prompt says so you can copy the strategy. Let's create a 30-second cinematic ad for Gymshark featuring my character. Please provide a structured instruction guide on how to build this. I will definitely need a reference image for the character, which I can generate using Gemini Omni based on your suggestions. The ad needs a high-energy, crazy cinematic vibe with specific placeholders where I can insert reference images for both the brand's apparel and my character to create the perfect scenes in dialogue. Additionally, please provide a seed prompt to generate a character model sheet of my character from multiple angles without headphones, showing a muscular build in casual gym outfits. Finally, include a story summary of the ad so I understand exactly what happens in the commercial. Go ahead, hit generate, and watch the magic happen. Now look at this. This is the beauty of adding that specific seed prompt request. Gemini doesn't just give you a boring paragraph, it gives you a highly detailed, beautifully structured master plan for a full commercial. First, it breaks down a summary of exactly what is going to happen in the ad. Then, it gives you a full 30-second script in a clean table format. Look at row 1. For the first few seconds, it gives you a crazy visual instruction. Then in the next columns, it gives you the exact sound effects, the voiceover audio, and most importantly, image placeholders. It literally acts as a professional director guiding you through the whole shoot. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the Gemini chat, you'll see it also gave us the perfect prompt to generate our character. I'm going to copy that character prompt right now. Now, Gemini can absolutely generate images for you, but I'm going to take this prompt over to GPT Image 2 because, let's be real, its image quality is just slightly sharper for character modeling right now. Don't worry if you don't have access to GPT, Gemini will still do a great job. Look at what it generated. This is absolutely perfect for a commercial. It gave us a full model sheet showing the front, back, and side profiles of our muscular fitness character. Next up, you need the clothes. Just go to Google, grab a screenshot of some cool gym clothing, crop out any random faces so you only have the clothes, and save it. We are heading over to a video platform called Google Flow. I'm going to upload both of my reference images, the character model sheet and the gym clothes. Then I'll go back to the Gemini chat, copy the visual scene prompt for the first 5 seconds, and paste it into Flow. Flow is awesome because it also lets you select a specific AI voiceover. So I'm going to paste the dialogue and audio prompt right into the audio section. Now listen carefully to these settings. Click on the video icon and make sure you select the Gemini Omni model. Set the duration to 6 seconds and hit generate. Let's see what it cooks.
They built the system to keep you contained.
Wow. Okay, that first clip looks incredible. Now let's move on to the second clip. To keep things moving fast, I am literally going to drag and drop our first video right into the next slot so the AI understands the continuity. I'll copy the visual prompt for scene 2 from Gemini and paste it in. Then I'll grab the audio prompt. Now, here is a little mistake I made in the first clip that I need to fix now. I forgot to use the placeholder tags. Inside the prompt box, wherever it says Insert Character, I'm going to delete that text, type the @ symbol, and select our character image. I'll do the exact same thing for the clothing image. This tells the AI exactly what assets to stick into the video. Let's hit generate and boom.
But you weren't built to follow.
clip number 2 looks amazing. Oh, and remember how I forgot to emphasize the clothes in clip 1? Watch how easy this is to fix. I can just go back to clip 1, upload the clothing image, and type, replace the current clothes with these clothes. Hit regenerate, and it fixes it instantly. By repeating this simple method for the rest of the script, you get a full, high-energy Gymshark commercial.
They built the system to keep you contained. But you weren't built to follow. Unleash the machine.
I know it's not Hollywood perfect yet because I did this quickly as a fast demonstration, but the potential is absolutely wild. Now that first method is great if you want to control every single shot manually. But what if you're a lazy like me and want to go 10 times faster? Let me show you the lazy genius method. Go back to the same Gemini chat and simply type one word, skincare. I told it I wanted to create a 30-second realistic beauty commercial, and I asked it to create the structure and a relevant female character. Gemini gave me the exact same awesome table structure and prompt descriptions. I went ahead and generated the girl's character sheet and the product bottle images using GPT Image 2. But here is where the workflow changes. I'm going to upload these images into Google Flow, but instead of copying the script line by line, I am going to copy the entire Gemini prompt from start to finish, the whole table. I go back to Flow, click on this little agent icon, and paste the entire script into the prompt box. Make sure your generation settings match mine so you don't accidentally burn through all your credits. The AI agent analyzes the whole table and asks you to approve the storyboard. I hit approve and wow, the storyboard it generated looks so good. If you ever don't like a storyboard it makes, you can just ask the agent for written prompts, generate them in ChatGPT, and re-upload them. But this one looks fantastic, so I'm just going to type OK, continue, and let it generate all the clips for me automatically. Once the AI finishes generating the clips, I just throw them into an editor like Filmora, do some quick cuts, add some transitions, and boom, you have a stunning professional skincare commercial.
Start fresh. Experience the pure radiance of a beautiful glow from within. Pure hydration. Effortless radiance.
Using this exact same automated agent method, I also went ahead and generated this premium watch commercial. And I even tried making a super cute dog food commercial.
The promises we make are simple. It is a gift to love them every day and to feed them well. Introducing Eclipse. Nutrition that keeps the promise.
The results are honestly amazing. I also tried doing this with Grok Imagine, and while it's decent, it's honestly not on Gemini Omni's level yet. By the way, if you want to learn more about Grok, I already have a highly detailed tutorial on Grok Agent Mode on the channel, and our full Grok build course is currently running right now, so make sure to check that out. Go try Gemini Omni for yourself, start testing these ad creations, and see how much you can make. The link to everything is down in the description.